Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change brightness in art mode on your Samsung The Frame TV. When you are in the art mode, press the up arrow key on your remote control twice, then use right arrow key to navigate to screen settings and open them with OK button. Now here you can use right and left arrow key to move this slider either to the right to increase your brightness level or to the left to decrease it. If you want to reset the brightness level, press up arrow key to select brightness reset and then press OK to reset brightness. Then you can press return button to return to your art view. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.